Seko sewo gwego, ochisto kuyuni yonget, sta no uawani serade, on guanaduhaste, jiniochi ahserihserón, ne desas nyunge ansatste. Hauki. So, jinioch ne gigo isere ahserihserón gohnio. That's our finished product. But on gutste, like satni gordalat jizayo ne gigo ahserí sayo. Da no saha yo yanere doga ansatste ne ahserí ne saha de gardons ne saha not de what de gardon de. It's a little bit thicker. Ne yo yanere ne ansatste gigo saha what j is ahserihserón. Much easier to do it with this. Okay, so I'll the jardo on gutste. I'm going to use Ganyageha and English to show you some of the language of it, but also for our families that don't know the language very well. So I'll use some English. So this is the end. You want to find the end of your string, G jodakte, and we're going to put it in between our thumb and just hold it there. And we call this his tail, Aotáhsa. The end is his tail, Aotáhsa. And so we'll take the string, and you're going to have your two fingers just like this, and you're going to wrap them around, Ahskwé, one finger at a time. So it's kind of an in and out, in and out, in and out. Ahskwé, 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 until there are two, and you bring it back in like that. There should be uska digani, 1, 2, 1, 2 on each finger. You can readjust it like this. Now what we call the bottom one for the children in our program is that's Kwayén. That's the little rabbit at the bottom. And Kwayén, it has to jump way over the finger. So we're not even touching that top one. We're only touching ahtage. Ahtage ne Kwayén, Yahsennityonhkwakwe. He jumps. Yahsennityonhkwakwe. And you see his tail, we still have it in our finger. His tail's going to come right out, and we're just going to pull it. Tasatirón ne Raotáhsa. Tasatirón ne Raotáhsa. And then we'll keep going. We might want to situate this a little bit further down. That kind of helps us. No, Ahskwé, in and out. Till there's uska digani, etone Kwayén ne ahtage, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Dahno Aotáhsa ne Tasatirón. Just keep pulling on his tail. It's not going to look like much when you first start it. It's going to just look like a little bit of a mess. So don't worry about it. It'll start taking form after you keep doing it. Ahskwé, etone Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Tasatirón ne Raotáhsa. And we'll just fix them again. Ahskwé, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, etone Tasatirón ne Raotáhsa. And so I always just like to make sure he's resituated every time we start. So push him down. It's always easier when it's a little bit down, these first strings. And then swét nuni, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, tone Tasatirón ne Raotáhsa. Now Aonsahsakwatá. Fix it. Aonsahsakwatá. Tone Ahskwé, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, tone Tasatirón. And as you can see, it's starting to take form. It's not until you do it a few times that you'll start seeing the shape come out. And that's where it's really nice for the children. They start to see the product of what they're making. Ahskwé, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, tone Tasatirón. Tonio Aonsahsakwatá ne arde Enhswe'nón. Ahskwé, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, toniochi ahserihserón. Aonsahsakwatá, tone Ahskwé, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, Yahsennityonhkwakwe, etone Tasatirón. Toniochi ahserihserón. Tone na ne awato yo snore doganiska na nashure. Ne ona so awato asakato jini gawana ne giko Raotáhsa. Gawana nio But if you want to keep it small, I'm just going to show you on this video how to end it. So when you're all ready, say this is long enough for a bracelet. Say I want to make a bracelet. That's long enough. So you're going to take the string and you're going to oni ne askoha ne gigo Tewahseríhsas datno Tetsya'k wado tonio. Then you take a wado ahserishi, you take it off your fingers, and there's these two little holes. I call them those dekahundage ne Kwayén. It's the bunny ears. And so you have these two bunny ears. You'll put his ears right together. Etone ne gigo ne agwego ne jodaswe, where the start, the very tippy end. Ahserón. You put it right through his ears, and then you tasatirón, pull it nice and tight, and that'll keep it at the end. So this is how, and you can use them as bracelets. Sometimes we try to make them as long as we can. We'll use them as jump ropes, different kinds of things. But this is how, and you can tie it if you like, or you can leave it loose. Ahserihserón. That's how we finger knit, 2-finger knitting style. Ona.